In this video, let's learn how to use side key button. You can see our power key. This is our side key. Let's learn how to use this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. In here, you can see this side button option. Click on it. You can enable this double press option. Now the default is quick launch camera. Now if I press this power button in 2 times, I can open my camera. I press it 2 times now. You can see mobile camera is open. Now let's see how to customize this button. You can open app using this side button. Click on this open app option. After click on this settings button, in here you can select any application you want to open. Now I already selected calculator. You can see now when I double press on my side key, now I can easily open calculator. Now I double press on my side key. You can see the calculator is open. In this method, you can use your side key to open any application or to open your camera.